27cm salmon over here. That was crazy. Oh shit. Hey bro, how are you?
See you tomorrow, bro.
See ya.
Alright, see you tomorrow, bro.
See you tomorrow, bro. I quit my full-time work to fish 30 days in Sydney Harbour. This is day 2. Welcome back to day 2. Weather today is not the best, but let's just have a look at what we can do. Yeah, we're just gonna head down to the wharf. Hopefully, try to catch something before the rain becomes really heavy. After a solid day 1 at this wharf, where I managed to land my PB Taylor, I decided to come back again. But today, the water was really murky from the rain. I gave her a few casts, but pretty quickly knew this wasn't the spot for today. The next 2 hours were just me moving between spots, trying to find cleaner salt water. But I'm just gonna remove the treble hook. Let's give her a cast. So I've been fishing here for the past 30 minutes. No luck. I'm going to switch spots again. Alrighty guys, Clifton Gardens. Let's have a look at what we can catch over here. My next stop was Clifton Gardens. To my surprise, there were quite a few people fishing there, even on a weekday. Definitely a really popular spot. The water's not that deep, only getting deeper towards the end, which is where most people had already set up. Let's have a look over here. Alrighty guys, planning to change to another spot right now. Clifton Gardens doesn't have anything over there. Seems like a very promising rock over here. Can give a couple of casts. It's starting to shower a little bit. Just a cast over there towards the wind. After a couple of casts, it started raining again. Day 1 had started promising, but day 2 was turning out really slow. I was getting impatient, and with the rain getting annoying, I ended up heading back to the car. Alright guys, we're back to the wharf. Water's still super murky. At this stage, I'm not too sure if we're going to catch anything for day 2 of the challenge, but still give it a try over here. I started with the blood orange color Maria Re-Rise. First cast over here. Oh. First cast using the Re-Rise. Might be a Taylor. I just oh no. Dropped off again. That was gonna be my first fish of the day, guys. How unlucky is that? No luck at all for the whole day, and I just dropped this one. Yep, oh, we're on again. Yep. Oh, this one's pulling. Oh no, we dropped it. What is going on today, guys? How did we drop 2 fish in a row? How did that even happen? Oh my god. At this point, I actually stopped recording. After 6 hours fishing in the rain with dirty water conditions, I was starting to lose hope. I switched to a different lure, and little did I know what was about to happen next. Okay, this one's pulling, guys. When I started recording on this camera, we have actually missed the first 2 massive runs the fish has already made. think it's going to go for another run. Right. I gotta be patient with this one over here. This is probably gonna be one of the biggest fish that I've caught. It's shaking, it's shaking. I think it might be a kingy. At the time of filming this video, I have never caught a big fish before. I was the only person at the wharf, and honestly, I had no idea what to do. I just kept telling myself to stay patient and let the fish run. I'm so... Alright, let's reel in a little bit. Shaking its tail. It's shaking, it's shaking. Okay, I gotta be patient because I've lost 3 big fish over here before. It was doing exactly the same thing. It was running really hard. I can feel its tail shaking. Just to keep the tension on, and hopefully, oh, I can, oh no. I can feel that it's going towards the wharf. See how I can handle this one over here. Oh no. I think it's going towards a pylon. No. Pull it out. Oh my gosh, no way guys, that's a kingy. No way. The excitement, the relief. This was the first kingfish I had ever caught in my life, and I was so happy to land it, especially after 6 hours of fishing in the rain for almost nothing. No way. Oh my gosh. Let's look at him over here. Okay, so caught this one on the Palms Dax, 30 gram. Let's take a quick look over here. 60 centimeter kingy over here. Look over here. Okay guys, this is my 60 centimeter kingy. Here you go. Damn, that was crazy guys. Let's look at the camera. First kingy I've ever caught in my life. Alrighty guys, now let's release him back into the water. Day 2 of the challenge. Oh. This one over here. Righty, here's the kingy. Okay, and here you go. Yay! My first kingy, guys. Let's go. Feeling refreshed after landing my first ever kingfish, I kept casting to see if my luck would continue. We're on again guys. Let's have a look what this one is. Might be a tailor. Oh. There's another one for the day. Looks like it's not hooked on properly again. 6, 7, 8, 38 centimeters. Righty, let's send him back. There was a bust up. Oh, it's running. Look at that. Look at this, guys. It's raining so hard and it's 6:59 p.m. 18th of March. Let's see if we can land this over here. Yep. Oh. What is that? Is that Bonnie or Taylor? Oh, nice. Oh, shit. Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
Is that Bonnie?
Yeah.
I'll grab a bite later. Okay.
Sure?
Yep. Okay.
For sure.
Okay. That's right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Got it!
Yep. Got a nice one. Let's go.
In my mother's life, there was a kingfish.
Okay. Yep. Where's the line? Yep. Right, here you go. Alrighty. That was a. Alrighty, guys. So that was day 2 of the 30-day challenge, and I have just finished fishing and came back to my local area. I stumbled upon this restaurant just a month ago. It's a Thai restaurant, and today there's just only me by myself over here. The owner's really nice. His name is Chai. Alright, so here is the entree, the Thai king prawn tom yum soup. There's a mushroom over here, there's some vegetables, a very generous amount of vegetables, and prawn over here. Look at that, nice quality king prawn over here. And we call him the one-man army because he is usually doing everything by himself, serving the entire restaurant. And today it's not that busy today, just me by myself. Nice music in the background as well.